First, take a square piece of paper. Now, fold this paper diagonally. This makes two triangles on the paper. Now, fold the open end of the triangle. Next, fold from the crease. Make sure the folded sides touch the corner of the upper triangle as shown in the next step. Now, turn your folded paper upside down. This cat looks incomplete without the eyes. So, paste googly eyes and draw muzzle of the cat. Now your origami cat is ready.